see if we can get to how close we can get before it ropes out here. Two large tornadoes side by side for me. Look at that! Keep going. This is blast. Gigantic. Well, now the guy slows down.
Well, yeah, now the other guy passes in an old passing zone up the hill after he jogs 20 miles an hour on the regular road.
My God, look at the size of this tornado! Oh my God! Oh my goodness!
Keep going?
Keep going, yeah. Oh, this is actually perfect right here. Never mind. We're gonna stop here for just a minute. Just a minute. You can run out and grab a pick. I don't think they have a clue what they're doing. Oh, look! Oh, shit. Twin Towers of Terror! Oh my God! Violent tornado! Violent tornado!
Through your ears?
Yeah. Oh my God, it's coming across the highway right in front of us here. Look at the violent, oh my God. Oh my God. Wow.
Getting bigger and bigger.
Oh my God. You're a mile away from a probably F3 or F4 tornado. The other one to the north is weakening. This one is taking over the show, and it's probably going to block our road from going any further. That is a thing of beauty and violence.
Get off the freaking road! Good for brain. Locked up their brakes and go park on the wrong side of the freaking road.
Keeps your wipers on.
There you go, bump.
Holy crap. Oh my goodness.
Looks like that Texas one that passed behind us that time.
Oh yeah, you're right, it does. Let's just get it, let's stop right up here. Look at that! Yeah, let's pull off on the side of the road right up here. Look at, hey, look, yeah, just a hair further. I want to get you pretty close to it.
Come all the crazy people. It's coming down, it's going down again on the hill up there.
Go ahead, just walk with me. I just got to get past Mitch. Okay, good. Can you point it that way just a hair? The van? Beautiful. Oh, I know, I still got a damn reflection there. I got this wire. Oh my God, Tom.
Looks like those two are gonna merge.
I wonder. My God.
Mitch, watch out, there's a guy driving down the wrong side of the road. That's why I drive all these stupid freaking miles.
That's it.
Because one day that happens.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's wrapping in rain now. What a wedge! I think it has merged into a violent
Look what
tornado.
it's done here.
Oh, look what it did here in this path. Oh my goodness.
Just one of over. Did I want to get
Let's go.
It's like mud.
The tornadoes of the year.
Oh yeah, I lost track of how many there even are.
All kinds of plant material stuck in my door here. I'll wait and pull it till we get up the road further. Oh, look at that shot! Oh my God, it's like a satellite. Now, let me rotate. Let me shoot this in front of you. Oh, I can't get it there.
I'll pull up some. You get.
Oh!
Yes, look.
Did you get it?
Yes, the lightning got through it.
Oh my God.
You got it.
Oh look.
Oh my goodness! Oh, stop! I gotta stop. I can't shoot out this side.
Wait a minute. We're skidding.
For what?
It takes so long to stop because it skids.
That is sensational.
That's a classic.
Guys, come.
Stop in the middle of the road for us.
Stop next to each other to chat. Yeah, it's all the locals out here worrying about their neighbors and checking for damage. I'm wondering why they're all turning around though. I wonder if the road down here is blocked.
Shouldn't be, unless the cops got it blocked.
There's three of them turned around.
Did they? Wow, and it's turned into a gigantic wedge again.